have I never ever thought of this before?
We're using hair straighteners.
It's like inhaling vomit.
Yes. Hey everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to another kitchen hacks testing video with my wife, Mrs. B.
Hi.
Let's get started with the first hack. This is part of an epic playlist. Let's go. I've chosen the hacks today. My wife has no idea. The first hack is, have you ever been in a situation where you want to have a bin for your counter worktop waste, but you don't want to buy one?
Oh, you don't want to buy a rubbish bin?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can do it with some breakfast cereal.
I wondered why we had lots of breakfast cereal boxes.
We have got an empty cereal box here, right?
Okay, yeah.
They're getting smaller, but I'll come on to that in a moment. Do you want to just chop that? All we need is some generic countertop cooking mess.
Oh, look at all this mess I've made.
Don't worry. This. Take the lip of your box, and this is why I'm worried about them getting smaller. Stick that under your chopping board.
Yeah.
And let it hang off the edge.
Oh, I like this already.
And now you scrape. So we are going to need the knife. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. You push that.
Very good. Oh, I like it.
You have got your very own little bin, and the amount of cereal we get through at the moment.
I know.
That's
you
pretty
guys
cool.
Are monsters with cereal.
And the fact, like I say, the bit boxes are getting smaller, this is a concern. So what I wanted to do was fast forward to the year 2025. This is your standard size of Rice Krispies. It's a joke.
Oh.
Like a little bum bag for your worktop. No. Next hack. Hack number 2, I have just made some toast and I've asked Mrs. B to warm up some baked beans. Those of you that are eagle-eyed, you might want to see a doctor about that. But you might have noticed at the start of the video we had some eggs boiling away. They are boiled eggs.
So what's the situation?
Have you ever been in a situation where your wife isn't sure what the situation is, but you want to use up some leftover boiled? You've made so many boiled eggs that you need to get creative with it.
Yeah.
Well, that's the situation.
Okay. This is hot. Can I pour
Yes.
on the toast?
Mrs. B will love this, I think. It's such a simple hack.
You're not, if I have to eat boiled eggs and baked beans.
Well, yeah. I'm getting the airbed out tonight, folks. Imagine the scene. You have got a boiled egg that you've made because you love making so many boiled eggs. You're like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do with all this? Stinks. I hate the smell of boiled eggs. You can turn a boiled egg into a garnish.
Oh, no way.
Yes,
No way.
Grate the egg.
It on.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Oh, why have I never ever thought of this before? This is next
Yeah,
level.
look at it. It kind of looks like cheese. You're getting the yolk as well. I didn't think of this. I mean, it's starting to perish a bit. But you could do that on anything. Like, literally anything. What are you doing? You're eating my prop.
We could have tricked our children with the white and gone.
Well, I was going to say, this is probably a really good thing for, like, trying to get a bit more... I mean, eggs aren't bad for you, really. The yolk is the good stuff.
This looks
See?
incredible.
Is it the new cheese on toast? I don't know. You could put cheese with it, right?
Oh my gosh. This is brilliant.
You just about get it. You get the texture, don't you? That is nice.
See?
It sort of elevates it a little bit.
Converting you.
But you have to remember that you are now having pretty much almost an entire boiled egg on top of your beans. So I'll get that airbed out. From eggs to eggs.
Okay.
Have you ever been in a situation where you want to poach an egg neatly?
Yes, every time I poach an egg.
There are many ways to do this, but if you're quite keen baker, you might have some leftover cupcake cases. So we've got a pan with water in it that's quite shallow, okay? Enough to hopefully make these cupcake cases bob. I'm a bit worried about this, look at that.
Well, let's put some extra. Yeah, we've got some there anyway with the yellow.
3, yeah, I reckon that's a good idea. It's a little bit stronger.
Yeah, look, because they're going.
They're really going, aren't they?
I think we need to get them in the water quick.
We just had a bit of a debate off camera. Mrs. B wants to get it simmering and then chuck them in. I have disagreed and I'm going to overrule it because it's my video today, my hacks.
And I'll go with it. I don't agree with what you're doing, but I'll
And I know why you want to go that route, but...
My personal belief is that if we try and put it into the water that's simmering, it's always going to be in like a hot tub bubbling away, which is going to be dangerous, and that might actually move the cupcake cases more, whereas if we put it in whilst the water's mild, it's going to slowly warm through and give it a chance to set and not move around too much and stuff.
Alright, well let's go for it then.
I think the water's helping.
Oh gosh.
No, that's brilliant, look.
It's like little ducks.
Awesome. So are they bobbing?
Yeah.
They are off the base of the
They
pan.
are bobbing
There we go.
eggs.
So lift that steadily on. The lid goes on. We've got it simmering, and you can see how this yellow one here was trying to bow more. We probably put one too many in. Look at that egg, that's amazing. But now that the outer edge is set, it's not going to spill anymore. Which obviously, if you put it straight into the boiling water like you were saying, or the simmering water, it would have probably sped that up too. But I just feel like those movements it's given those cases now, look at that.
Yeah.
I think it might have spilt out. Translation, I think I was right.
Maybe. So now how do we get them out?
Well, I didn't think about that.
Because you're like, you never want to put your hands in hot water.
That's true. That is true. I can't think why. Well, there we go. That is them done. The one with the single case, this one and this one, they did just want to naturally kind of flop off like that anyway. But I love how you've kind of got that peanut butter cup edge to it. Kind of gives it some character. That looks like something from SpongeBob, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Is that the thing, like this octopus thing with a life ring or something?
Yeah,
it's got eyes and everything.
Yeah. What was it you said to me? Have you ever been in a situation where you want perfectly shaped poached eggs?
I don't know about, but hey ho, it worked. So if you're ever in a situation where you want to make poached eggs with cupcake cases, it will do the job. We're halfway through the hacks, Mrs. B.
Woohoo.
Time for a Patreon mid-roll. Thank you so much for you guys that support me on Patreon. It does keep the channel going. And this latest hack here, this is a video that indeed a patron sent me. And look at that. This is it. We'll watch it together. There was no sound, Ashley. So you have to listen to me talk about it. And I don't know at what stage of the clip it is right now. But basically, you can get a better vacuum pack on a Ziploc bag by using a straw. This is something they said they've not seen anyone do. It's their own hack that they've used, and I'm really keen to try it. Your own homemade vacuum seal.
Bye.
Let's just like zip it up like normal.
Okay.
And I think they sort of flattened it anyway, but let's just show you when you have the doorbell ring in the middle of a video, you can really give your wife time to close the bag. Look, it is like a jellyfish, but of course, you can like compress it and open the bag slightly.
No, wait, no, don't do that. All the air will come out.
Yeah, but that's what they did in the video.
No, they didn't. You open it up a little bit, put the straw in.
I have watched that video several times, and I believe that they compressed it just to show that it's still okay.
Oh, okay.
This is where the audio might have helped, Ashley, not gonna lie. We're hacking your hack. There we go. Yes. Brilliant.
Oh, that cheese is strong.
Is it? You just got like your own cheese extraction vent.
And what do you do now? You just...
Well, you just like take all of the air out. Yeah, so just...
Oh my gosh, you could not do this.
Why?
It's like sucking up cheese.
Oh, go on. Oh, God. I can't do that. I can't do that. So exhale.
Oh!
Was cheese a bad choice?
Oh my gosh! It's like inhaling vomit.
Look, it's working. Mrs. B, you're gonna have, it's like gas and air when you were pregnant. You're gonna have to keep going. You'll get the benefit. Look, that is working. Come on. Look, you can see it. There you go. Yes. Well, we've got. I don't think it has.
I do, look. There's no air there at all now.
Yeah. That's like inhaling just like a cheese vape. To be fair, there is hardly any air in it, we'll give it that. But Ashley, in your video, it looked like it was proper vacuum closed, you know? Notice how I didn't say the S word then. Right. Maybe we'll do a follow-up on that. Or a smaller bag. Should we do it with a smaller bag? See? That is the hack. Yes. Yes, look. And now we quickly close that zip.
Oh, okay.
I think that has semi-worked for us. Ashley, any feedback? We'll just keep that on Patreon, right, between you and I, but maybe we'll do a follow-up. God, That was tough. Have you ever been in a situation before where you need to open a bottle of wine?
No.
Oh, there was a video we did before, Mrs. B, wasn't there? Oh, la, 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 la. Oh. As we found out, if you use this and heat around the edge constantly, it releases the cork and fires out, and that was one of my favourite moments ever.
Oh, I'm scared.
But we're not using that.
Okay.
We're using hair straighteners.
Last time you used my hair straighteners, they stunk of bacon
Oh yeah, I cooked bacon with
for
them.
weeks.
That was a long time ago. Can you tell I'm nervous? This is actually quite dangerous. I really like the idea of heating glass like directly, at least before we had the flame.
Is this what we're gonna do?
I think the most important thing is that we turn the bottle as we do it to get constant heat, not just keep it on one bit and just keep rotating it. That seems to be the trick, okay?
Okay.
That is a face of confidence.
I hate doing things like this so much.
Is that the hottest temperature?
No.
I think we start at the lowest, to be fair, and then give it as long as it needs. I think hopefully that's okay with everyone. Folks, I want to just play it cautious.
I might go stand over here.
All right, Mrs. B, that is a positional stance of confidence.
I'm being Homer.
Yeah, I've got 2 cardboard cutouts. So what I'm going to do is put it on the bottle and then just rotate it in one area. I might go a bit higher at times, but I think it's just warming the bottom that's going to be the primary thing, because it's going to push the rest of it out. So let's keep going. I think it's moving slightly, but that is actually, no, that's just wishful thinking. It's not moving at all. We're going to put it up to 180. This is really hurting my arm now. Mrs. B, you've edged closer. I see confidence in you. This is great. What's the worst that could happen? That the bottle shatters?
Yes.
I mean, that's pretty bad. It goes up to 230. All right, I'm going to go 200. Is that 200C? No, don't put 200 degrees C on your hair, do you? Blimey. You can make chips with that. Right, I'm going for it. I'm going up to 230. That's more than a deep fat fryer.
Barry, the top is higher.
Oh my gosh, yeah, you're right. Look at the top of it, folks. You see it? It's getting there. It is slowly rising up, folks. Shall I admit, I don't think it's going to pop too high. Look, it's coming.
There it goes, there it goes.
Yes. Oh, what the?
You corked it.
Oh no. Created like a second cork. How are we going to get that out?
Don't try this at home. Oh no.
Well, I think, folks, it worked. I don't want to waste another bottle of wine on it. And I say waste because we'll still use that. But that method was way better. Right, so I wanted to finish with what I think is also a dangerous one. I know that last one was probably up there. But this shouldn't be, but I think it could be, just based on my other experience with an air fryer. Have you ever been in a situation where you've just made some pancake mix?
Yes.
Well, yes. We want to make multiple pancakes at once, and apparently you do this in an air fryer. The reason I don't think this is going to work is because my experience with them so far is going back to hair. I think an air fryer is a glorified hair dryer. You're going to put the pancakes on between these sheets of baking parchment, but I'm worried about the last one blowing up into the fan and the heating element and charring it. So the point is, we put down one piece of the baking parchment, okay? And we pour pancake batter into the middle. And quite simply, we put another one on top. Beautiful. And then we'll do 2 more.
So now we just cook the pancakes like that?
Apparently we just air fry this and we should come up with an instant stack of pancakes all in one go.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
So set our timer. Here we go.
How long do you cook them for?
That's a blooming good point. Let's just have a quick look. Oh, what the heck is that? It's all bunched together.
Oh, okay.
It's not touching the heating element though. I think we're all right. Okay, so normally you'd fry them in a pan like a couple of minutes either side max. We've given it 6 minutes in total. It should ping any minute. I I think we don't want to overcook it. It smells good though. There we go. On the video, it looked perfect. I knew it was bodged. There is no way. Look at that. Look, and they had one on the top as well. Oh no, oh no.
They're not cooked. They need a bit longer.
Oh my gosh, look at that. It needs a lot longer, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Look how raw that is. It's like we're making eggs again. Maybe we clean this parchment up, try it again, and have one on top like they did, and that we'll use that one to govern when these are done. I think it's gonna fail though. All right, and it goes. We've given it now a mighty 10 minutes, and look, nice and browned on that top one. I am very worried about the one underneath it though.
All right.
Look at that, see? And the video looks, I mean, that's not perfect, I know. But...
Oh no, 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 look.
Oh dear.
That one
Right, that's a fail. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna waste any more pancake batter or even Alan the air fryer's time. I knew that wouldn't work. The wine bottle one did work though.
Yeah.